Hello. Welcome to Real GPL. Okay, so this video is about Consultio theme and their demo installation. One of my customer has asked me to install this theme called Consultio, and along with the demo, which is Consultio Corporate 3. So I'm going to demonstrate this to you. Okay. So very first thing, if you have not buy it from Real GPL, search for Consultio, open this, buy it. In case if you want to change currency, right now we are offering 5 currencies. You can change it from here, okay, to your respective currency in like INR or euro or pound. Okay, so I hope you have purchased. Once purchased, just download it. I have done it already. So I am going to the folder and I will unzip it first. So unzip is done. After unzipping, inside the folder I got the theme only. Okay, so here unzip is not required, but sometimes you have to unzip. Okay, just check it once, because many times there is a child theme inside, plugins inside. So right now for this theme we'll install the whole package, because inside just there is nothing, just the theme file. So coming here to WordPress, here one thing you check first, go to settings, go to permalinks and make sure post name is selected. Okay, this one. If not, select it and then click on save changes. Now going to appearance, themes, add theme, upload theme, and I will click okay, I will upload the theme. Here it is, install now. Once it is getting installed, I would like to let you know that we also offer membership, where you can download multiple items in a single day based on the membership plan you will choose. I have given the link of this in the description. Please go through it. And in case of any queries, you have the chat support, WhatsApp support, email support, and even support ticket support. So a lot of support is there. And apart from this, you can also check our original licenses. We have 200 plus original licenses, including Astra, Elementor, WP Rocket, Rank Math. Many Elementor add-ons are there. Okay, so please check it. I have given the link of this also in the description part. Go through it, and in case if you need any extra discount, get in touch with us. Right now you can use flat 35, which is coming on the screen also, to buy any item, including the membership plans from our website. Now coming here, since it is installed, I'm going to click on activate. Now very simple thing, click on begin installing plugins. Either click here, so either you need to click here, okay, or just go here, install plugin section. Anyway, both are same. So begin installing plugins, select all, click on install, apply. So this will install all the required plugins which is needed to import demo for Consultio theme. So it might take a bit, so you have to wait for that, and it also depends on the server speed. So in total 17 plugins are there. Let's wait for it. So almost done. WooCommerce is getting installed. Okay, done. All installation have been completed. Okay, now I'm going to install plugin section once again, because I have to activate all of them. I will select all, click on activate, apply. So this will activate all the installed plugins. Once done, just click on dashboard once. Okay, here once you come here, you have to go to Consultio and then import demo section. Let me go to dashboard first. On dashboard you can see it has documentation and video tutorials which you can find, but not needed as of now. You can use it later if needed. I'm going to import demo section directly. So the client needed the demo called, let me check once again, it is Consultio Corporate 3. As of now you can see that our server is okay. PHP version, memory limit, max execution time, and max post size, all is within the limit. which is required by the theme. If not, you have to change it first from PHP configuration. Now I'm going to the particular demo, and you can install any demo. It's not like we have to install that one only. This I'm installing because client has asked for it. Otherwise, I can install any demo from here to show you. Yeah, this is the one, corporate 3. Okay, so it's Consultio theme, and corporate 3 is the demo that they need. So I'm going to click on import demo, click on OK, and you see this is in progress. Okay, so we have to wait until it's done. It might take 2-3 minutes, maybe more sometimes, but I think 3 or 4 minutes is okay for it to install the entire demo content. While it is in progress, you can see that it has demos like corporate 2, corporate 1, corona, consultancy, and that too 1, 2, 3, 4 and all, construction, business, many business demos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and all, agency. So yeah, it's a good business theme. Finance, digital marketing, cryptocurrency, and many finance demos available. Human resource, fintech, RTL, finance, insurance. Yeah, very good. It's a good theme. Okay, now so the demo is installed. The preloader is now not coming. So let me go to the website once. It took around 3 to 4 minutes to see if everything is coming as per the demo. I see it. Yeah, I see that it has a good design. So everything is coming. Let me check some pages. Okay, yeah, so demo is imported completely. So that's it for now. I will see you soon in the next tutorial, next video. Till then, keep shopping. Thank you very much.